see the truck from womb to tomb, as I call it. You see it coming in as raw material, you see it being fabricated, welded, painted. It's just not an assembly plant. It is, you see all the components being manufactured in-house. The vertical integration within this factory is something you wouldn't see in other factories, even within our own network. We've empowered our people. We want them to succeed. And I think that when you look around, you'll see a lot of people have progressed within the company. And I'm an example of that, because, like I said, I started here at the very beginning and progressed to be the Managing Director of Europe, Middle East and Africa. So why not other people?
My name is Rachel Heron. I'm a design engineer within the product engineering department. It's mostly production support. So any trucks coming down the line, if an engineering issue arises, I have to liaise with other departments and suppliers in order to resolve the problem and keep production going. I'm also involved with new product introduction, so I get to see products come early on and advise any updates that might be required. I think the product built here in Craigavon is of a very high quality, and I think the Yale brand is seen as a very high quality and tough truck in the European and worldwide markets.
My name's Ian Loney. I'm a material handler. I drive the truck to and from stores and supply the line with all the big parts and pan parts for the assembly to keep the line flowing. Good company to work for. Really enjoy it. Good people around you. Morale's good. I just enjoy coming to my work, enjoy my job. Well, I think we build a very reliable truck. They're well finished, and they seem to be when they go out in the field that you don't have too many comebacks, so you can't beat that.
My name's Jim Downey. I'm the plant manager for the Craigavon facility. I've been doing this job now for 12 months, and I've been with the company 28 years. So I've done various roles within Craigavon. I'm responsible for all the people on site, all the functions on site. So I'm responsible for building the trucks, making sure they're built to the right quality, making sure they ship on time, making sure they're delivered on time, and making sure that the people are working in a good, safe environment. It's a fantastic place to work, and the company's actually developed me, and throughout those 28 years I've been developed to a position where I've now taken on the plant manager's roles. Forklifts we build in this factory, and I mean you'll see that there's a lot of people here who've had long service. I mean our average service at the minute is 17 years, and people build these trucks with a lot of pride and passion. And I think the quality of the product we actually build is superb, and that really shows. And if you're actually in the Craigavon facility, you see that people actually are really keen on making a quality product. I think that's what really makes it stand out. It's the pride that the people actually take in building the product.
Okay, my name's Eddie Gordon. I'm the manufacturing engineering superintendent for the Craigavon facility. I take the design of the truck from drawing and make it into what it is so the guys can build it on the line. So setting up the processes, setting up the documentation, ensure we have a layout done, ensure we have all the tooling we need, all the fixturing we need, all the safe working practices we need for the guys to make the truck to the design spec. This is a blue chip company. The products we make are excellent. There's a great satisfaction in thinking that sheet plate comes through the bottom door and 4 days later it rolls out as a finished truck, ready for the customer. There's good people here, there's good atmosphere here, good teamwork. There's a lot of opportunities within the company. So if people want to get extra education, if people want to progress up through the company, increase their skill set, job opportunities. Nothing standing still. We're continue to evolve and try to meet the customer needs.
My name is Jonathan Seifert. My job title is New Product Introduction, Manufacturing Engineer. It entails myself reviewing new product coming into the factory, from the ECN stage through the factory floor layouts, through the implementation line design. I started here 22 years ago on the paint line. I had a career change into fabrication, where I've spent about 17 years. I was then TCO in fabrication and moved up to trained instructor. I am now a manufacturing engineer for MPI. Most of the people in Craigavon I've worked with for the 22 years, and it's a family feel business. It's an excellent place to work and there's a lot of opportunities. I can honestly say that our truck has the highest quality that I've seen within a forklift.
My name is Ian McElveen. I'm the Training Development Officer here in Craigavon. I think it's good teamwork. You know, it's a good working environment, very passionate, and also just everybody embraces change. You know, that's why this company's been here 30 odd years, because constantly changing, constantly trying improvement, and that just makes life, you know, brings something new every day, which is enjoyable. I've now worked here 20 years. All in different various roles. I actually started here in CNC machining, then became trainer, then project engineer, and I finally working in HR. I think because of the amount of changes that we make for our customers, you know, so we're listening to our customers, the trucks, the amount of options and changes that we've done on the trucks over the years, and that's just really just delivering what the customer wants. And obviously at every time you're trying to build quality into that as well.
My name's Nigel Thompson. I'm the Quality Assurance Superintendent in the Assembly Department for the Craigavon plant. I've been with the company just almost 18 years, so quite a long time. I actually did my university placement with the company back in 1994-95, and I was lucky enough to get the opportunity to come back to the company, which was absolutely fantastic. And I started off as quality engineer. I worked my way up through into production as a superintendent, and then I've come back to the quality department to work as a superintendent for the assembly department itself. So we will work with suppliers for everything from a small bolt all the way up to the complex items such as engines and transmissions and axles. And basically our objective is to work with them in a partnership to produce the best quality product that we can. Ultimately for our customers to have the best quality product that they can, and obviously they'll come back and buy more trucks off us, and we can continue building thousands and hundreds of thousands of more trucks. Why our trucks stand out from the competitors is because we'll give the customer what they want. If our customer wants something new which we don't currently design or build, we will build it for them. You know, there's nothing impossible, and that's one of our philosophies in this Craigavon plant, is that whatever you want, we will do it for you. We will build you what you want, and we'll make sure that you're happy with what you've got.
Yeah, my name's Mark Topley. I'm materials team leader, looking after receiving and shipping. I started off as a moveman, driving a forklift truck. I was doing that for a lot of years. I learned a lot of the different roles. I was in a Kanban coordinator, looking after DFT and sizing of Kanbans. Then moved to a training instructor, and I was training instructor for 4 or 5 years, and then I've moved to materials team leader after that. So most importantly, I think the people that we're working with, the commitment of the people, they're so approachable. It makes working with everybody so much easier every day. So our forklifts are built in a quality way. They're very reliable. We do a lot of driving in my team every day. We're putting thousands of miles on them. Very, very reliable, very tough and durable as well.
My name is William Dixon. I'm a production operator in offline assembly too. I'm also a team coordinator in Team 9. But my main role is an MH30, which entails doing a 26-point check on the transmission and hydraulic system to detect any oil leaks. My other role as a team coordinator is to assist the superintendent to achieve the daily outputs, also to highlight any issues impacting product flow, quality, and most importantly, health and safety.
I feel proud to be part of the plant and building that 400,000 truck. I've been here through all the various different milestones that the company has gone through as well, and it's a great achievement for this company. You know, the products that we build we're very, very proud of, and all the guys on the floor are proud of, and you can see that when you go and talk to the operators on the floor, all the way up to the senior managers. Everybody's proud to build what we do here in this Craigavon, in this small country that we have. Absolutely fantastic, and hopefully we're here for another 400,000.
I think it's a real achievement and a real testament to the hard work of everybody here, past and present, and I think it's a great, you know, that they're going to donate this milestone truck to a charity. I think that's really nice.
It's a big milestone, and it shows that business is good and that we're selling lots of trucks. And the 400,000th truck is an excellent event.
It's a great achievement. It's great for the company to be able to hand it over to Oxfam, isn't that who it's going to? What a great idea, and I look forward to the 500,000 truck.
I feel the fact that we're now building the 400,000th truck, I think it's a fantastic achievement for the company. I think it's testament to the workforce, to be honest. I think the commitment of the workforce, both past and present, has made it all happen. We've had quite a lot of people that have retired and moved on, and their commitment towards it as well shouldn't be forgotten, because we've had a lot of good people all over the years, you know. So I think that people are the biggest testament to it.
So I've been here for most of those 400,000 trucks, and actually it's a major milestone. I mean, you know, when I came into this facility first, we were building a maximum of 20 trucks a day. That's really where we were. We now have a capability of building over 100 trucks a day, and to actually achieve such a milestone as 400,000, it just gives a great sense of pride.
I'm so proud, unbelievably proud to be standing here just talking about 400,000 trucks being produced here in Northern Ireland, as we call it.